We sign here in Japan. So instead of like signing with ball pen with your signature, you just need this stamp. So they call it here hanko. And ayan, may initials siya. This is my husband's initials. Personalized din siya. And I can use this to sign on his behalf. Like yung mga documents sa school kasi nasa work siya. So, ayan, meron ako niyang stamp with his initials and meron din siyang kanya. Okay? So, hindi na siya kailangang pumunta sa school para mag-sign. Ako na lang gagawa niyan. 'Di ba? So, hindi siya hassle sa tao. It's amazing. And then I also bought an extra ink. I bought this from Syria for 100 yen only, 38 pesos.